So in this video of Wise Man, I'm going to show you that how can you make this type of curtain in your house easily with cheap equipments available freely in Wish. So what I have done, I have take this rod. If it's a thin rod, if it's available from anywhere, you can take it, and there are required some screw bolts. So you have to screw these bolts in the wall, and what you have to do, so to make it tighten, you have to use the thread and just wound it around the rod and the bolt so that it can tighten up easily. And now you have to insert curtain before putting the rod. So as you can see, you can slide this curtain easily here. So in this way you can make the curtain in this way.